Bye. Ingat. Hello, welcome back. Nalala niyo yung line ni John Lloyd Cruz na, ingat. So that's part of the health kit that we have. Diba? I think that's Biogesic. So we have here a handy health kit from Unilab. Alaxan FR, Biogesic, Picogen Forte, Diatabs, Kremel S, and Fusiran Forte. So ang dami. So, inside, ayan, ang cute ng box niya, di ba? Very, very small and very handy. Handy nga talaga siya. So, you just have to open that one and tada! Bye! Ingat! Hindi kami na medicine kasi thank God, hindi kami nagkakasakit. Kung meron man, very, very light lang. Light sipon, light ubo, yung light na lagnat. Thank God, hindi kami na hospital.